and I just watched Sanki's very timely TED Talk video called "Why You Should Spend Less Time with Your Kids." And honestly, it made me rethink a lot of assumption I didn't even know I would absorb about the parenting. And Lenore is the founder of the Free Range Kids Let Grow movement, and in this TED Talk, she makes a bold, some word that continuative case or modern tendency to hover micromanage and over surprise is actually hurting children, not protecting them. So, at the heart of her message is a simple idea. Kids need opportunities to do things on their own, to fail a little, to figure out things, or to take to safe risks. Because those experiences build resilience, confidence, and the independence. She argues that the culture of fear around childhood has grown so strong that parents feel obliged to be constantly present, and that constant presence removes the very learning opportunities kids need. So that was a free range idea in the sentence. Lenore uses wit and sharp examples to make her point, and she doesn't any risk exist. Instead, she asks us to put those risks in the perspectives. Historically, childhood was more independently. Kids walked to school, played outside unsupervised, ran small errands. She points out that today's media and modern anxieties exaggerate how dangerous the world is for children. So which leads to our protection and paradoxically more anxiety in kids who never get a chance to practice copying. So one especially powerful line in the TED Talk was that our parenting robs children of teachable moments, the small, ordinary chances to learn judgment, responsibility, and problem solving. When parents remove every obstacle, kids never learn the internal skills that come from solving problems themselves. So Lenore wants parents to reclaim those small letting go moments, sending kids to the corner store, letting them walk a block alone, or playing outside without an adult standing over them. So those are the moments that quietly build adulthood. So she also connects this cultural trend to the measurable effects. The free range let grow movements point to the research and many analysis suggesting that children are more with more independence, show better problem solving, less anxiety, and greater resilience. And she highlights that cases our where societies or communities that encourage independence produce the more capable kids. To be clear, this is not a call to be reckless or neglectful. It's a call to celebrate supervision to reality and to trust kids more. Now, Lenore views have sometimes been controversial. You may remember that headlines when she wrote about letting her 9-year-old ride the New York subway alone, and the story launches the debate and even legal scrutiny for some free range families in different places. So those controversies illustrate how strong the cultural norms about children's safety has become, and why Lenore's message can feel both danger and necessary at the same time. But the longer arc of the conversation shows that many parents and researchers are open to rethinking what safe really means for kids. So, what did I take away from the talk? Three practical things. First of all, start with micro independence, a short walk, a small errand, a few minutes of unsupervised play. Those teeny steps are the building blocks of autonomy. Second is explain hazards calmly and teach kids how to assess them. Example, how to cross a road safely, how to ask for help instead of forbidding everything. So encourage programs and policies that let children take a age, appreciate, and a responsibility. After all, confidence and competence grow from practice. And if you are a parent listening to this and feeling anxious already, I get it. Letting go is scary, but Leno's step is pre Priosip, because she doesn't ask for a leap into the recklessness, she asks for small, intentional leaps that allow children to learn. She frames independence as a public good. When more kids are trusted to do the thing, entire communities become more capable and less anxious. I also appreciated how Lenore grounds her arguments in a cultural history of childhood. We didn't always treat children like the fragile objects who must be supervised every second. That historical lens helps us to see that a lot of our current fears and are social, not necessarily factual, and that reclaiming some of the freedoms of earlier generations could produce less anxious, more confident kids. So Lenore's Skenazy's TED Talk is an urgent, thoughtful at the times humorous invitation and trust kids more, teach them how to handle real situations, stop equating constant supervision with love. For everyone who parents, teaches, or cares for children, It's worth watching, not because it gives any answer, but because it challenges us to rethink what safety and childhood should like into the world full of manufactured fears. So this was my today's study studio review. I hope you all like, and this was totally for the parents. It can inspire a lot of parents to how to teach them that the real problem solving and all the things. So I will meet you in our next set of the review till then. Allah Hafiz, and in it, as always, Pakistan Zindabad. Allah Hafiz and take care.